Hey guys, so Coco has a toothache, and I found out by a couple of symptoms. I'm going to show you real quick. There she is, not feeling great. This is the third day she has not been eating any food at all, drinking a lot of water, going to the bathroom, taking her outside, walking fine, everything's normal, just she's not eating. I touched her body, made sure that she didn't have pain anywhere, and then I went to go touch her face, and she kind of flinched, and I noticed, okay, so it's her teeth. So this is the deal. Quick way to feed them, because she's not going through another day without eating. Last night I started doing this to her, and she wants to eat. So I can see she wants to eat. So it's not her stomach. She's not throwing up or anything. Yogurt, Greek yogurt, sweet potato, homemade chicken broth. Now this is what she normally eats anyway, okay? And one of these. You can get a bigger one. I like to give it to her. See the hole? I like to give her that's not so big. So all you got to do is you squish the sweet potato. I'm just going to show you real quick how I do it, okay? Squish it real quick. I'm sorry if it's not straight. I'm holding this phone. It's crazy. Okay? Squish it. And you do, okay? Okay. Okay, this is it. I mean, you don't want to give them too much because she hasn't been eating. Broth, without it. But there you go. Okay, that doesn't look like a lot, but for somebody who hasn't eaten in 3 days, that's good. See, look at her. She's waiting. She wants to eat. I know she's hungry. So I'm just gonna leave this. Let me see if I can prop this up somehow. Okay, it's okay. It's all right, baby. It's all right. I'm just gonna give you a little bit, just a little bit. Up. It's okay. It's okay. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Up. Up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No. Oh my gosh. This is the last one, honey. Last one. Last one, sweetie. Okay, so it takes a little practice. It's hard because I'm trying to hold the camera. Oops. It's okay. I'm trying to hold the camera. Hold on. No. Oh, it's okay. There it is. You see? Good job, Mama. Good job. See? Okay. So it's a little tug of war, but you know what? It's worth it. She's had about 4 of these. Well, no, 5 of these today. And it was about that much too. So you figure, oh, I don't know what happened there. I got about 4 of this amount, like that, of this with yogurt and sweet potato and chicken broth. And I only give her the sweet potato because it's sweet and it kills the yogurt flavor, which could be a little bitter. And she loves chicken and she loves the chicken broth. I always give it to her, and she loves sweet potato. Yogurt she really doesn't like too much, but I know it's got probiotics, so it's good for her. If you want to get a bigger one, do that. Also, you can use those nose droppers, those nose drop where you clean the baby's nose. You can use that too. You just won't be able to measure, but it doesn't really matter if you measure it here. Don't let them go without eating. And then after, you ask your vet if it's okay to give her, vitamins and something like omega, which is really important. But, make a little pinhole in the edge of the little gel tablet, and then you could just squeeze that into her food or squeeze it into her mouth. And also olive oil, which helps move her digestion, and ginger. There's ginger inside that broth. So boiled chicken with ginger, and that is all that was in that. All right, talk soon. God bless. And what do we say? We say ciao. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to take care of your little pets. Lots of pet ideas here. Lots of tips for everything else. Talk soon. And wow. That's what Mouthy Fox says.